James loves to play football. But whenever he goes to football practice, he gets tired in a few minutes. His mother takes him to see the doctor. The doctor advises James to consume more carbohydrate-rich foods. Why did the doctor advise this? We eat different kinds of food. All foods are made up of some common components that are essential for growth and the proper functioning of our body. These components are called nutrients. Can you name the main components of food? They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Our body needs all these nutrients in different quantities to remain healthy. Along with these nutrients, we get fiber and water from food. What do these components do for us? Let's find out. James has gone to a special mall where foodstuffs rich in different components are displayed on different counters. Since the doctor told him to eat carbohydrate-rich foods, he decides to visit that counter first. That counter has two separate racks of food. Do you know why? Because carbohydrates are divided into two major types, starch and sugar. Sugar, as the name suggests, is present in sweet foods such as honey, sugarcane, cakes, sweets, and fruits. Starch, which is a complex carbohydrate, is found in foods such as wheat, rice, maize, potatoes, and bread. But why was James advised to eat carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the energy-providing foods. Their role can be compared to the role of fuel in a vehicle. So people performing more physical work, for example, sports people, laborers, and active children, need more carbohydrates in their daily diet. James wonders if there is any other energy-providing food component. Yes, another component that provides energy is fat. Foods that provide this nutrient include butter, oil, cream, cheese, and dry fruits. Fats are also present in meat, eggs, fish, and milk. Our body needs fats in small quantities. And if we consume it in excess, we can suffer from a condition called obesity. Obesity can give rise to various other ailments, including heart problems and diabetes. James moves on to the next counter, named proteins. Which food items will be there on that counter? Protein-rich foods include milk, cheese, meat, chicken, fish, eggs, lentils, beans, and legumes. Proteins are necessary for the growth of our body. They help in building muscles and repairing damaged and worn-out tissues. So protein-rich foods are also known as bodybuilding foods. Our body needs these nutrients in very small quantities, but they are essential for the normal functioning of the body. Which ones are they? They are vitamins. There are different types of vitamins, and each of them plays a special role in keeping us fit and healthy. They are primarily found in fruit and vegetables. Take a look at this table to find out more about the roles and sources of various vitamins. Just like vitamins, our body needs minerals to maintain health. They play a major role in important bodily functions such as growth, formation of blood cells, bones and teeth, etc. Minerals can be divided into two types: macrominerals and trace minerals. Macrominerals are the major minerals that are required by our body in large amounts. Some macrominerals are calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Trace minerals are required in very small quantities. Among these are iron, zinc, copper, and iodine. Fiber is also called dietary fiber or roughage. The major source of this component is fruit and vegetables. Roughage does not get digested in our body, but even so, it is very important for us. Do you know why? This is because fiber does not get digested, so it adds bulk to our feces and prevents constipation. Apart from drinking water, which other sources provide water to our body? Milk, fruit, vegetables, soups, and juices are good sources of water. We need water for various reasons. It helps us absorb nutrients from the foods we eat. It helps us to expel many waste materials in the form of urine and sweat.